let's talk about another equation of tangent line problem, okay? Well, as I told you, we need only two information to solve this problem, okay? First one is the point. Like, in general, like it is given. Look at that. Your x point is given, then by plugging in your x value into your function, you can find y component as well. It is point, right? And the second information is slope of tangent line, okay? It is exactly f prime of pi over 3. Okay, let me write all the information, okay? Here we go. The point. It is given in the problem. X component is pi over 3. Then y component will be f of pi over 3. Okay? Let me calculate this analytically, okay? It is pi over 3, comma. When you plug in pi over 3 into your function, it is 2 times sine pi over 3. Okay? What is sine pi over 3? Do you remember? It is equal to, you have to memorize this, okay? It is equal to square root of 3 over 2, okay? Then it is equal to pi over 2, comma, 2 times square root of 3 over 2, which is square root of 3. That is given point, okay? Then now we have to figure out the slope of tangent line, okay? Here we go. Let's say it is number 2. Slope of tangent line, okay? So let me try to change the color, okay? Which is f prime of pi over 3. Is it okay? Now we have to find f prime first, then we're going to plug in pi over 3 into there, okay? So what is f prime? My function is 2 sine x, and 2 sine x prime. Sine x prime is cosine, okay? 2 cosine x, okay? Just simply plug in pi over 3, right? Is equal to 2 cosine pi over 3. What is cosine pi over 3? Again, you have to memorize this, okay? Cosine pi over 3 is 1/2, okay? So that is equal to, this guy is equal to 1/2, okay? 2 times 1/2, which is 1. That is slope of tangent line, okay? Then, whenever you figure out the point and slope of tangent line, then as I told you, you have to remember one important linear equation, right? Which is y minus y1 equal to m times x minus x1, okay? Again, if you just want to use y equal to mx plus b, you can do that, okay? It doesn't matter, okay? But like, let me try to explain this like this way, okay? Then plug in all the information, okay? Y minus y1 is square root of 3, and my slope is 1, and my x component is pi over 3. Then like, let me try to write this one as slope and intercept form, okay? Then y is equal to x minus pi over 3 and plus square root of 3 on both sides. That's it, okay? This is the equation of tangent line, okay? What about this problem? Function f is given, then ask you to find f prime and f double prime, okay? It looks really simple, right? But you have to be careful because the given function f is x times sine x, which is product form, okay? So you have to use the product rule, okay? So let me do a little, okay? Here we go. So let me use two different color, okay? Let's say the first function. This is first function. Let me use the like pink one, okay? And then second function. This guy is second function. Let me use the like this color for second function, okay? Then what is f prime? F prime of x is equal to, by the product rule, first function prime, 1, times second function, original second function without anything, and plus, because we are talking about the product rule, right? And first function, original one, times second function prime. Sine x prime is cosine x. This is f prime, okay? So like for finding f double prime, it might be better to simplify a little, okay? Just rewrite, okay? Simply rewrite. So that is equal to sine x plus x times cosine x, okay? And do you know why I just emphasize about this times? Because second term is another product form. Is it okay? So when you work on f double prime, You have to be careful with this, okay? But this one is fine, okay? Because sine x prime is just simply cosine x. That's it. We done the first term, okay? What about second term? Let me do the same thing, okay? Let me use a red one for the first term and this color for second term. Is it okay? So let's do the product again, okay? First term prime times second function plus, because that is product, right? And first one times second prime. Be careful, cosine x prime is negative sine x. That's it. Now we have to simplify, okay? Here we go. Is equal to cosine x plus cosine x, and it is minus x times sine x. So my final answer, f double prime x, is equal to 2 cosines and minus x times sine x. That's it.